How to turn on developer mode on Chromebook. Chromebook, it has nothing without developer mode. So let's turn on the developer mode. Click and hold cap and refresh button, and then just one click, not hold, one click the power button. Then that's it. It will be 2 or 3 times. It says Chrome OS is missing or damaged. It does nothing. Just click Ctrl and D. Just press Ctrl and D, and then just enter. It will take some time to preparing the developer mode. After developer mode is on, then just log into your Gmail account with the Wi-Fi on. It will download some specific features for your developer mode. After that, you can download or install any of the or Linux developer mode. You can download Linux developer mode. You can download Linux developer mode or download or install apps outside of the Google Chrome, Google Play Store. Here you can see